So here we have the graph of mulch bag decomposition that we created earlier. We have points for each percent mass loss and a line that represents the mean in the middle. So the mean for one treatment is higher than the other one, so we think that overall this type of mulch decomposed faster. But as you can see, there are also lots of data points high and low in each mulch type. So how can we know for sure that this average or mean shows a real difference, or could it just be by random chance? So to add the standard deviation to the graph, you can select standard deviation in the toolbar on the right. And this creates a line above and below the mean that are one standard deviation away. And that gives us a visual idea of how spread out the data is. So as you can see, they are both pretty spread out here. If all of our measurements were really close together and the percent mass loss was similar for each treatment, these bars would be a lot closer and this kind of like blued out area would be really narrow. And when it's more varied and spread out, the blue box is a lot bigger. So if the measurements overlap, that means there's a chance our data didn't have a significant trend. There may just be too much random differences to say for sure if our results are real. So if our results are statistically significant, we don't want these bars to overlap. As you can see, there is a decent amount of overlap here. So go ahead and add standard deviation to your mulch decomposition graph as well as the other two research questions and see if our results were statistically significant or more likely to be due just to random chance.